Up before the sun every single day. You gave me a home and gave me my name. You sang Robert Earl and sweet baby James. Yeah, you built a life on Amazing Grace. I was born to break every single rule. With a reckless heart, sometimes a fool. I was hell to raise, but he kept his cool. Showed me love will always follow through. I can see it all in his weathered eyes, full of strength and love and sacrifice. Oh, I've spent my days living on the run, but now I know it, I'm my father's son. Got a steady job, he's a steady man, and over 30 years with a wedding band. Bet a wild child wasn't in his plans, but every part of him's a part of who I am. I can see it all in his weathered eyes, full of strength and love and sacrifice. Oh, I've spent my days living on the run, but now I know it, I'm my father's son. Yeah, I know that I'm my father's son. Monuments built in his name, no magazines that will spread his fame. But when a good man lives, he leaves a wake, and in 1,000 years it will still remain. I can see it all in his weathered eyes, full of strength and love and sacrifice. Oh, I've spent my days living on the run, but now I know it, I'm my father's son. Yeah, I know it, I'm my father's son. No matter where I may have run, I'm proud to be my father's son.